Hello everyone, welcome back to our tutorial for simple interest. This time round, what you need to find as per example 1H, okay, we need to find the principal value. Okay, previous video I've shown you how to find the principal, but this time round a little bit of difficulty. I changed the time to 4 years 9 months. Okay, so the way to do is still the same. What we're going to do is substitute all the values. So you have 1520 equals to P bracket. Now our rate is 2%, but our time is 4 years and 9 months. But as we know, the time, the number that you need to fill in for this time must always be in years. Okay, so how do we convert 4 years 9 months to years only? So it's basically, this basically means 4 and 9 months. Converting 9 months to years is basically 9 divided by 12. Okay, so it's 4 and 9 over 12 years, which is the same as 4.75, right? Because 9 over 12 is equal to 3/4. So it's 4.75 years. Okay, so that's how you convert your years. 4.75, then divide by 100. Okay, so next thing is just simple. 152000 equals to 4.75 times by 2 becomes 9.5. Okay, so you get 9.5p, and then use your calculator to get your answer. Okay, so this one becomes, so p is equals to 152000 divided by 9.5, that becomes 16,000 basically. 16, 1, 2, 3. So this is the principal amount. Okay, so the highlight for this video is not how to use the formula, but instead how you convert your years, your time in years and months into years only. Okay, so if I were to give you another value, another number, let's say how do you convert 8 months in terms of years? So you deposit for only 8 months. So 8 months is equals to 8 over 12 years. Okay, you can leave it as 8 over 12, it's not a problem. But if you know, you can just convert to 2/3. Okay, also possible, but not necessary. Okay, same if I have 1 year, and let's say 4 months. So after 1 year, 4 months, you stop your investment. So it's basically 1 and 4 over 12. That means this is 1 and 1/3. Okay? Or rather, if let's say it is a total of 30 months. So it means 30 months is equals to 30 divided by 12 years. So that means it is equals to 2.5 years. Okay? So this one equals to 2.5 years. So inside your head, what you need to take away is converting everything to years, you need to divide by 12. Okay, divided by 12, because 1 year equals to 12 months. Okay, so all these examples you need to divide by 12. Okay, so I think this is where I'm going to stop for simple interest work examples. Our next videos will be on compound interest. Okay, please catch that. It's more, slightly more complicated than simple interest. Okay, catch you soon.